New COVID-19 cases are rapidly increasing, and with the Delta variant becoming more prominent across the state, Arkansas Governor Hutchinson addressed this issue in today's weekly news conference, saying low vaccination rates are to blame for that spread. Here's 5 News reporter Billy Devane.
There's a COVID-19 outbreak within the unvaccinated population. Governor ASA Hutchinson says the state's vaccine incentive programs, lottery scratch-off tickets, and Game and Fish gift certificates to those who got vaccinated after May 25th aren't working like they hoped.
The Delta variant wreaking havoc and causing people to go to the hospital, that's a reality check and should encourage people to get vaccinated.
In the next few weeks, the Arkansas Department of Health is expecting the Delta variant of the COVID-19 virus to be responsible for more than half of the positive cases across the state, which is infecting more of the younger population.
We've had patients in their 20s who've required heart-lung bypass to manage their COVID-19 infections.
98% of people hospitalized in the state are unvaccinated. UAMS Chancellor Dr. Cam Patterson says the number of patients who need to be put on a ventilator has more than tripled in the past 8 weeks.
It attacks younger individuals and it produces much more severe disease. This is not losing your sense of smell and a bad case of flu. This is immediately coming into the hospital and being put on a ventilator.
The governor says he has no intentions of declaring another state of emergency following the climbing trend, and the state is not imposing any new vaccine incentive plans.
Is there some emergency action that needs to take place? And the answer is no. It's all set. We're managing this. We're working it. We're treating it seriously.
Covering news where you live, Billy Devane, 5 News.
Now, Washington and Benton counties rank in the top 5 counties with the highest vaccination rates by population. Both are at 48%. And here's a more detailed look at some of the infection trends the governor revealed today. Right now, more than 90% of active cases in the state are Arkansans who are not fully immunized. Since January 26th, there have been more than 3,700 hospitalizations, and again, more than 98% of those were not immunized. And in that same time period, 988 Arkansans have died. 99.6% of those deaths were patients who had not been fully vaccinated. Now, all of this comes as Arkansas saw another big jump in COVID-19 cases in the last day. 475 new cases, 79 rather, bringing the state total now to 348,699. Active cases up by nearly 200 today to above 3,300, and 12 more people have died. A death toll in the double digits today, the first time in a while, for a death toll total statewide of 5,905. And here's a map showing where all 50 states are in the vaccine rollout. Right now, more than 46% of Americans are considered fully vaccinated, according to the CDC. Arkansas, though, continues to fall behind the national vaccination rate. It's among about 10 states at less than 37%. Oklahoma slightly higher with 38.3%. And across the nation, the number of fully vaccinated Americans is 154.2 million.